In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up checkout on Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to enable and customize your checkout form so you can collect the right information from customers without adding friction. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Squarespace. Head to the official Squarespace website and click Login. Sign in with your existing account credentials. Once you're in, select the website you want to work on, then click Go to Website to open that site's dashboard. From the dashboard, click Edit Site to enter the editor. In the left sidebar, look for the Settings gear icon and click it. Inside Settings, choose Selling. This is where all of your commerce tools live, including payments, products, and checkout preferences. If you don't see Selling, double-check that the site has commerce enabled on your plan. Next, open Checkout. Scroll until you find the section labeled Additional Fields. This area controls any extra questions or details you want to collect during checkout. Click the arrow next to Additional Fields to expand the options. Here, check the box to enable the custom checkout form. Turning this on tells Squarespace to use your tailored fields instead of the basic default. Now click Edit Custom Form. At the top, you can rename the form to keep things organized. This is helpful if your team manages multiple variations or if you want to document the intent of the form. Then click Add Form Field. You'll see a variety of field types you can include, such as text, email, address, checkboxes, and dropdowns. Click the fields you want to add. Common choices include email and address, especially if you're shipping physical products. Keep in mind that asking only for essential details helps reduce cart abandonment, so be thoughtful about what you include. Within the editor, you can fine-tune labels and helper text so customers understand exactly what you're asking for. Squarespace also lets you set certain fields as required when they're truly necessary, like shipping address for physical orders or a contact email for digital delivery. Clear, concise labels go a long way toward a smooth checkout experience. When your form looks good, click Save to confirm your custom fields. Then click Save again to apply the changes to your checkout settings. That's it. Your checkout will now use the custom form you created. To wrap up, you've logged in, opened your site, navigated to Settings, Selling, and Checkout, enabled a custom form under Additional Fields, added the fields you need, and saved everything. Your Squarespace checkout is now set up to collect the right information clearly